Hey everyone! Want a real career boost with IT certifications like CompTIA A+, AWS, PMP, CISA, but struggling to find the right guidance? There are tons of courses out there, but most are outdated, full of theory only, or just promise quick wins without real skills. That's why I highly recommend the American IT Certification Institute. Trusted, professional, and built for the US job market. Here's what you get. Latest 2025 to 2026 exam syllabus. Guidance from experienced IT professionals. Step-by-step roadmap from beginner to pro. Practical labs, mock exams, and real-world tips. Covers CompTIA A+, Network Plus, Security Plus, AWS, PMP, CISA, CSM, CRISC, and more. Especially for CompTIA A+, hardware, networking, troubleshooting, OS, security, all explained clearly with first attempt pass strategies. Check out USAITCI today, link in description. Subscribe for more certification tips. Drop a comment. Which cert are you targeting next? Thanks for watching. Keep learning flexed biceps.